Hi guys, welcome back. I have created this video for the understanding of how to download and install Eclipse to run a Java program. So let's start. There are some steps which we need to follow to download the Eclipse. So we will be starting with the download Eclipse. So we have to open any browser which you have in your laptops and you have to type eclipse.org. Okay, and then the application will open and then click on the download button. When you click on the download button, there's an option to click on download 86 underscore 84 64 button. Okay, so click on that and then click on download button. This is another button which you will be seeing it. Okay, and then we will move to the it will one Microsoft Explorer window will open. To click on save, then click on save and the download will start. It will take some time and then .exe file will download and then you will have to click on it after download. Okay, so after it is got downloaded and you clicked on it, then there is Eclipse installer window will open. You have to click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and after that you have to click on install. After clicking on install, it will take several minutes and then the window will open with the launch keyword in green box you can able to see. So you have to click on the launch button. After that you can give any workspace which you like, any folder path you have to give, or you can browse also, and then you can click on launch button. After that you have to create a Java project, then click on file new and you can click on the project, and then new window will open where you have to go in the Java folder, and then under the Java folder you will see a Java project and you have to click next button. Then you have to write the project name and then you have to click on finish button. Then your Java project will be ready for you. I have given the demo name for the Java project. Inside that I have the src folder which we called as source folder. So you have to click on that, then new, then package. Click on package and new window will open. You have to enter the package name and then click on next. I have added test as a package name. So now we have to create a Java class. So same, we have to go in demo folder, src, and then test package name. Then we have to click new, and then in that class we have to enter the class name and we have to click on finish. Then class will be created. Now I have created very small project of Java where the package name at the top is given package test, and the public class hello is our class name which we have given. Now public static void main is the main method where our execution starts with, and this system.out.println hello I have given for printing anything in console. We give system.out.println. ln means new line. If print is there, then in old line only the text will be displayed in console. Okay, now you will have to click at the top. There is a green play button. You have to click on it, and the console you can see the output is hello, and all the screenshot I have attached. So please have a look on it and you can start installing and downloading Eclipse and run your Java program. Okay, thank you. If you need any queries there, anything you didn't understand or you need help, you can comment on the video and I will help you. Thank you. Bye bye.